Hello friends, this is our Faridabad center and today we are posting another video of our ECnG channel, and here we have a patient, Miss Ritika, who had visited us for her eardrum perforation, which was quite big, approximately subtotal perforation, and she had trust in us, and we started ECnG on her, and along with the eardrum healing, her hearing was also improved. And she is quite happy, and she can share her journey with us and her experience of ECnG treatment. Ritika, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं?
So I started noticing issue with my eardrum in April 2022, and since then I have visited multiple hospitals here in Faridabad, and all of them they informed me like there's a hole onto my eardrum, and no one ever told me like what was the actual damage or how big the hole was, and I literally kept on to going many hospitals in the hope that it will be recovered without operation. But most of the doctors, like all of the doctors which I visited, they suggested me to undergo operation, stating that it cannot be healed naturally. So I was looking for alternate ways to recover it, and that is when I came across Dr.Ankur Gupta on YouTube, and I thought of contacting him and giving it a try. Although I was not sure in beginning if it will work or not, but still I thought of giving it a try, because obviously it's better than operation, because as per what I had studied and I had analyzed, operations are not very successful, and there are a lot of challenges, and post operation there are a lot of there's no surety that it will be cured. So I visited him in I think September or October, and I started the procedure with him, and that is the first time when I got to know what was the actual damage or what was the status of my perforation, and what was the size of the hole which was there into my eardrum. And eventually over the time when I started my procedure, he always shared periodically images of the eardrum, and I could actually see it grow, and also with growth into the eardrum I could feel my hearing was also improving along with the growth. And yeah, it's definitely worth a try, because there's nothing better than having a natural growth onto your eardrum, and obviously seeing the side effects of operation from my end, this is definitely a better option to go for and give a try. So it does work.
And you can do your daily activities. And
and other thing was it never interfered my day-to-day work. I could do my job, I could do all whatever activities are there in my daily life. So none of them were hindered or disturbed. I could accompany it with my daily routine without any issues.
And that was a very strong and sweet message which Ritika has given to the persons who are in need of the treatment. And the treatment usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes, and the only thing is it takes some time to grow. And we do in this procedure specifically new vascularization, in which we grow the vessels and grow the 3 layers of the eardrum. And this is the trust in us the patients are showing these days, and people are coming and approaching us from various states and various countries, and I hope I will be keeping the trust and confidence in them. As Ritika has said, and best of luck to you, Ritika.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.